Hello everyone. Hope you're doing well. I'm happy to have you here. We're gonna start like in 1 minute. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to set notifications on and share our socials with your friends and family. It would be nice. As always, we're going to talk today about forex market, about like crypto market, stocks. But before we start, I want to tell you about our Discord server. Our Discord server where we provide signals, education and other stuff. You can just check it here. It's a VIP membership, crypto investment portfolio, referral program. Soon we're gonna launch a one-on-one mentorship, and we also have a corporate trading on Zingali. For now on Zingali we have like 20 investors, and overall like 52% gain in the past 7 months. So if you're interested in our corporate trading on Zingali, feel free to check this page on our server. Like Zingali, it's basically Binance. It's like its project. Just like allows for some jurisdictions to use leverage trading, futures specifically, when like in these countries it's not allowed. So okay, let's start. I'm not going to talk about crypto much because BTC consolidation, nothing changed in the past week. As you can see, we're still in this fair value gap on 3 days, and until we're inside of this fair value gap and this like red candle is not closed like below this line, below 63,000 with its body, I'm completely fine. So we might see some reaction here and price will keep going higher. If we fail, if price will fail and close below within the next week, like let's say like 3 days, right? It will close below this line on its body. It will keep going lower till this breaker, like 53,000, or maybe previous monthly low, but most likely we will see like this zone tested. But overall, I'm not worried. I just like have my portfolio fulfilled, and I just like will keep holding it. For now, completely fine, because I can see like liquidity still like building, and it will be extremely fast. It will be like one big candle like for like 10-20% within a day. Maybe it will be like something with the news that United States like will allow some kind of shit here. Okay, 1 second, I will turn my volume up. What about now? Should be way better. Yeah, should be way better. Okay. Should be fine. Yeah, okay, good. That's it about the crypto. I'm not talking about like all the cryptocurrencies. It's obviously we in consolidation. Just check like high volume coins and just trade them. That's it. For example, Pepe is a really nice choice. We have like long position, it's liquidity build like this, and it's about to like break up, and also a really nice volume here. That's it like for our crypto. Let's go to forex. I'm going to talk about like DXY, Euro, British Pound, Audi, and Swiss franc. So first of all, I want to talk about DXY on a weekly. It closed like very bullish. We like tested this like breaker. Yeah, we have this fair value gap, but it might be tested later. But I marked it on my chart. Then we can go like on the daily. On daily time frame, we have this daily fair value gap. Same, you will be able to find. Let's do this. So it will be dollar and it will be euro daily as well, so you can see. Okay, so daily fair value gap here, and obviously you can see the daily fair value gap right here. Then next target in my opinion can be like this equal highs, and also it's a previous monthly high. Yeah, let's go like on 4 hours. On 4 hours, what we can see on 4 hours, on 4 hours we can see that this fair value gap. Also we can see this breaker if we go to like 1 hour, and also liquidity that been built like in the last day on Friday. Okay, 1 second. Liquidity build right here. We can see this breaker, and all of this like in discount market. So below this line, all of this like in the discount market. So it will be lucrative target. If we won't see like any reaction, and first 3 days, if we open calendar, X factory, like next week, if we open calendar, not much news on Monday. On Tuesday, consumer confidence maybe will give like some reaction, but overall no. On Wednesday nothing, and first like news will be important news will be on Thursday. That's it, and Friday. So first like 3 days will be extremely slow, so I'm pretty sure we might go like lower to like test like this zone, and after it our market will pump. If not, we can also see some manipulation up and then test of this daily fair value gap. But the problem is with this scenario, we have like this higher low. So if this higher low will be broken, it will be market shift. Again, it will be market shift. It won't be like break of market, break of structure, because it can do like this easily, because liquidity grab, test of this daily fair value gap, and price will keep going higher. But if we will see something like this, so like test, it will be breakdown with fair value gap, test of this fair value gap, like this. Like imagine like just pretend this is fair value gap, and price will reverse and will keep going lower. As soon as we will see a break of market structure right here, my next target will be this weekly fair value gap that we seen like earlier, like this one. So I just want to see how market will open. If market opens and Dixie will keep going lower till this like break it, this like 4 hours fair value gap, and based on liquidity that been built like right here, and 3 top setup, because like high, high, and highs, right? Most likely price will keep going lower, because to take this liquidity and then reverse it, and will keep going higher, and it will be like normal flow. Because to be frank, like there is nothing there that can stop price to go like high to this like previous monthly high. Like literally nothing. I don't see like anything. Maybe like on the daily, nothing. Like 12 hours. 12 hours, yes, it's a big fair value gap. And then on 6 hours again, but it's already been tested. On 4 hours, nothing. Yeah. If we would just check the normal time frames, there is nothing there. Okay. That's it about like DXY, and here is a pretty much similar picture, but I want to say like one thing. On a weekly time frame, we're still like in the range. We just had deviation right here. Next target obviously will be deviation there. If you check it on the daily, you can see it more clearly, because we bounced out of this zone. We have this fair value gap, volume fair value gap right there, but recently I noticed that it doesn't play like much and doesn't do like any reaction like for like forex, especially for euro. Then on the daily, it's obviously like bearish flow, like nothing, like no zones that can be tested except like this fair value gap. Зажги, пожалуйста, Адора. This fair value gap, and obviously we have like this amount of liquidity that has to be like taken, plus this equal loss. I didn't mark it on my chart. Equal loss. This one. Equal loss. So I just like mark zones where you have to pay attention. Again, it's not financial advice, just like my opinion and my analysis on the euro. I wanna also look at what will happen right here at this zone, as like when this equal loss will be taken, because we might see like deviation. So if price will reverse and will go up here without taking this equal load, because we had SMD divergence between Euro and DXI. It might be a range, and price will keep going higher. We'll like rebalance this one fair value gap, and we'll go lower, and we'll see something like this. It's one scenario that I'm thinking about, but in short term, I'm pretty sure price will go to this like 4 hours fair value gap, because we have liquidity there, like this one. Tested rebalance, and we'll keep going lower because we have like liquidity lower. Most of the liquidity been built lower from here, and this liquidity should be taken, because in forex market price goes like up and down, but from one liquidity to another one. Just by looking at British pound, I don't know where price will go. I have no idea. Maybe we will see like maybe price in a range right now. And this is we just had deviation. This is deviation. Price will like reverse, and we'll keep going lower. I don't know. Maybe it will be like small pump till this daily fair value gap, and then keep going lower. Right now, British pound again weekly fair value gap, just exactly at 0.5 zone. You can see I marked it, and short here, like kind of forbidden. Long here when we have like this bearish order flow, same. So I wouldn't trade it at all. So I won't trade British pound for the next week for sure, because I don't understand where we're going on 12 hours, on 6 hours, like 2-3 hours. Like I just check like every time frame, and there is like nothing there. It looks like it's about to do like market shift, like after market shift here, so price will also reverse and flow will continue. But we'll have like daily fair value gap here, and how this will perform, I have no idea. Also, we have previous daily high here, and liquidity build, so maybe it will go higher. But and then in this point I will be looking how price will act, if it has like if will it have a reverse or not. So I don't know. That's why I prefer to skip it. At least like Euro, I just mark POI, where I will be waiting for reaction, and that's it. For Audi, same. It's 4 hours fair value gap right now, and in daily fair value gap, it's forbidden to trade here, so open like any short position, because in global might have like some reaction, already have got reaction, so I don't know. I have to wait. But based on DXI, maybe bearish. Gold. By the way, guys, like don't forget to have a Discord group. Feel free to join. This is like an invite link. So if you are not in our server, feel free to check it out. We also have 7 days like trial for VIP membership, So if someone of you wanna like test it out, feel free to do it. Just open the ticket. Okay, let's go back to gold. On a weekly time frame, you can't see anything, but if we open daily, it's kind of obvious that we just got reaction out of like every zone. So for now, I would say gold will go lower. I even like mark trade that I might be doing. Just set alert here, and when price, if price comes to the zone, I will open short position, most likely, if I see like something like a reverse signal. As a target is the equal lows, but just like this first liquidity that has been tested already like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this like trend line, if someone trades like classic technical analysis, this trend line already been tested like many times. Most likely we will see like we will see reverse. I also marked premium market. This is like 0.5 zones. So all what above like this 0.5, it's a premium, and more likely if I open short position in this zone, it will have a high win rate, because obviously we're in like in short flow right now. Okay, 1 second. I just like set alarm here and we'll be waiting for it. Obviously we have also this for 4 hours farewell gap. On 1 hour it's like order block, this one, and already have like market shift, this market shift, this one. So test this farewell gap and price will keep going lower. If we'll see continuation of flow like this, I will just like skip it and won't trade gold at all. But at least like I can see target clearly now. That's it. So let's do TI for Nasdaq. TI for Nasdaq. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, now I promise we're gonna do like live TA on the Nasdaq. So first of all, I have to mark forward gaps. I don't want to mark like this one. We will do this. And mark it as so on a weekly, pretty much that's it. Also, let's mark this breaker. If we get there, I'm not already got like reaction of it. Now daily, got reaction to this breaker already. this fair value gap been tested. On a daily time frame, we have like 2, so let's go like 3 days. Yes, we have this fair value gap. So obviously this fair value gap will be tested, obviously, because it's on a weekly, 3 days, daily, 12 hours. No, but this one, yes. So yeah, let's mark this one. Fair value gap. 4 hours. This is a daily one. This is daily fair value gap. So we have like also this equal loss, right? Okay. Have this equal loss. Now, okay, let's check now. Okay, on the futures we have this equal loss too. Now, equal loss again. Equal loss, right? Okay, we'll mark our liquidity, so obviously this will get like first reaction out of like this loss. On a daily, yeah, we have also fair value gap on a daily right there. Fair value gap. Okay. This is like fair value gap on a daily time frame. And go like 4 hours. We'll check daily again. Do we have anything else? No. 4 hours. On the 4 hours, yeah, we still have it here. Chart is not that clean. Also have breaker here. So more likely this level will hold when we have a really good reaction. Do we have anything else in 4 hours? No. Okay, let's go 1 hour. What do we have here? We have equal highs on the Nasdaq. Equal highs. Fair gap on daily still marked. We have this buy to sell zone. This one. This is buy to sell zone. It was range. So I don't know, like, if should I mark it as a breaker or not. Let's just mark this low, and we'll see. June 18th. And we'll see how this will play out. Obviously this is equal highs, also it will be previous daily high, this one. Previous daily high. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes. 30 minutes, yeah, we have fair value gap on 30 minutes. Fair value gap, 30 minutes. Pretty much that's it. That's it. Yeah, obviously one more fair value gap, like 30 minutes. 30 minutes FG. And it's and 0.5, it's exactly at this low. But obviously we got a reaction out of this low already. So kinda we'll see how it will just react. We'll see. Pretty much that's it. BTCD. And what about it? I sent analysis on BTCD like few weeks ago. Exactly the same. You have a breaker here. This one. See, so price more likely will get there. Also fair value gap on a monthly time frame, which is exactly in this fair value gap. Exactly the same. I'm pretty sure it won't go like anywhere high as this one. Like 57.5. Yeah, it calls breaker, this one. Just let's go like lower, okay. We'll do half on the daily time frame. High, so oh fuck, it's so bad. On the weekly, market structure will be broken after like this one, after this low. If we're talking about daily, this looks like it's already broken on the daily time frame. If we think this is high low, it's already been broken, and price will keep going lower. I don't know, I will wait. So as soon as like this line, this one will be broken, this one, then yeah, price will just like nuke, and it will start, alt season will begin, but we're already like in this area. Yeah, we'll see. Okay. That's it. Okay, let's go back to Nasdaq. Like 50 minutes. I'm pretty sure the cycle highs will be taken. Maybe price will go lower first, then will bounce, and then we'll keep going lower. Final target for me is just this daily fair value gap, or like this 4 hours fair value gap with a breaker. But obviously this zone will react for sure. I don't see price going any higher. It was a top. Right now it should be rebalanced if it's like normal price action. S&P 500, same picture, exactly the same, but based on S&P 500, I would say, yeah, we will go like lower. Like, let's go like weekly close track, really nice. Let's mark this weekly. Top. Because in addition, like no zone slower. Let's go daily. Okay, on a daily was fair value gap, got traction out of it. Problem is, last time S&P, like last week, I just like want to show you. Last week it was like this last week, and obviously everything been tested, right? Like this. And last week, so it's a previous week as well, we can see like fair value gap on a daily been like tested and then pump. What we have here right now, it's already been tested. So it's weekly, by the way. This is a weekly fair value gap. Fuck yeah, I always like forget about posting like forex shit on Telegram, but we're not pushing Telegram now. Telegram is just like Telegram is just more about just like our back project. We don't like do anything there so far. Just like post like some stuff. But in general, yeah, we should like do it too. Maybe we'll start to do it. Just like too much to do. I have more important stuff. Okay, on the daily. Anything there? Yeah. This fair value gap on a daily. Daily. 1 second. Daily fair value gap. So last times we haven't seen this. Last times I haven't seen this, so we didn't have like any fair value gaps like this last times, and obviously this is the first time. Same picture like on Nasdaq, and most likely like 4 hours fair value gap. 4 hours. Most likely this zone will be like tested. Also liquidity pull, etc. Obviously we will have like some reaction out of this fair value gap, and like tested properly. and we can see that it's liquidity build, right? This one, this liquidity, and there is no liquidity lower. That's why we don't see like liquidity there too on Nasdaq. So I'm pretty sure we'll see some reaction out of it, and also buy to sell. It's pretty much the same, like Nasdaq and S&P 500. So pretty much the same. Like maybe it's like small difference, some SMTs, but in general just similar charts. Maybe Nasdaq like more volatile. Let's check Dow. Let's check Dow. Okay. Start with weekly. Let's remove all the shit. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's see. On the weekly, do we see anything on the weekly? Yes, we can see. Actually, monthly first. Nothing monthly. Weekly. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. Right here. For the top. Okay. So price exactly in this fair value gap on the weekly time frame. The problem is we exactly in this fair value gap, and we closed inside of this fair value gap. So I can't open any long positions or any short positions. Let's check daily. On the daily, we have this candle that also took liquidity from previous one, right? So this candle took liquidity from previous one. It's already double top. But also we can see on the daily, we can see this fair value gap. Fair value gap on the daily time frame. What else? Also this one on the daily. Fair value gap on the daily. The equal lows. Equal lows to. Actually, it's more like liquidity. But also this fair value gap on the daily. And this one as well. You have to mark every fair value gap when you work with indexes. It's very important. But on the weekly fair value gap, double top. Let me see. It's like $100. So one contract. It's like usually it's 5 contracts in one lot. So $500 like stop and target 200. One good 1 to 2 trade. already from daily time frame. On 4 hours, this fair value gap already got gave reaction. Fair value gap 4 hours. Come on. But also you can see fair value gap here on 4 hours. This weekly fair value gap also all liquidity been taken. Most likely price will reverse and will go to like other liquidity. Also, even on 4 hours, it's easy, you can see that we have a downtrend. This is the first market shift. It was market shift, right? This is a break of market structure. We have like downtrend. It maybe I can say this is a lower high, but it should be broken with big fair value gap, and then like when price will go higher than this one, this line, it will be market shift. Until then, it's a downtrend. It's still downtrend. Yes, locally we might have like this some kind of range here, but it looks like a range, by the way. If we check daily, yeah, it looks like range, pretty much. So obviously target will be opposite side of the range, and opposite side of liquidity. So this double top. 687, yeah, equal highs on the futures. Not that great. Just want to show you double top, how it usually ends up. Double top, double top. So we have double top again, like this. 50 minutes now, 5 minutes now, and liquidity build. This like fair value gap already won't count. So first target will be this fair value gap. Yeah, even like from the opener, I might open like this position with the target 1 to 2. Because on 4 hours literally everything been tested, already good reaction, but this is like double top plus huge roll, and with this fair value gap, this like rebalance, it helped to get this high out, and it got rejected. Yeah, literally like nothing there. Highs and a lot of lows. Yeah, pretty much. It's a really nice short. You can even like open position from market opens. It usually happens at Friday. Usually happens at 1 AM my time, so literally like midnight. Central Europe summertime. Anyway, GG's. That's pretty much it for today. I just like showed what like top-down analysis is. I just did it live, so if you enjoyed it, feel free to like this stream if it was useful for you. If not, how dare you? Okay, also I will pause this analysis right here. And Q if you trade options. And Nasdaq. Maybe people don't know. S&P same shit. Yeah. We'll just go down. Pretty much till this equal lows. Yeah, 30. Dow Jones. I haven't been trading Germany 14 index, but it looks nice to me. Look at this nice reaction of it. I don't know yet. Because this amount of liquidity. Weekly favor gap as well. Actually getting late. I will go to sleep. So thanks for watching and have a good trading week. If you have any questions, feel free to message me in Discord. See you guys. Bye.